Hi guys, welcome back to the Rookie Chronicles. Today we're going to be making biscottis.
Biscotti is an Italian crunchy biscuit that you can dip in your tea or milk and it's just delicious.
This recipe turned out so great, so let's just get started.
For this recipe, you'll be needing 2 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 3/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, half a cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of white whole wheat flour, and you'll also be 1 teaspoon of almond extract or anise extract. To a mixing bowl, add your butter and sugar.
Mix it together until it's combined.
Your butter and sugar mixture should look like this. Now crack your egg into the bowl and mix it up. Now add your vanilla extract. Mix it all together until it's combined. All mixed up, it should look like this. If you're wondering why there's a binder clip on our bowl, well, we have a hack. If your spoon keeps falling into your bowl, just use a binder clip. Clip it onto the side of your bowl and put your spoon in it. Your spoon won't fall anywhere. Now add your anise extract. In a separate bowl, add all your dry ingredients, your flours, your baking soda, and your salt. Now whisk it together. Add your dry ingredients into your wet ingredients. Start using your hands to knead the dough.
Now we are going to be preparing our baking pan or glass. Line your pan or glass with parchment paper so your biscotti doesn't stick.
Now take your biscotti dough and spread it all around at the bottom of your pan. It should look like this. Make sure the top is smooth so it doesn't burn.
Now sprinkle a little bit of sugar on your biscotti dough.
Put it in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. This is how it should look after it's done baking. This is optional, but you can put a little bit of anise extract on top of your baked biscotti. Now lay them flat in your pan and bake them at 350 for 13 to 15 minutes.
This is how they turned out. They were so delicious. They were really nice and crisp and they had a really nice golden color.
We really hope you try this recipe and please subscribe to our channel for more videos.